is Rissa, and this is my first shot. It's Shmurda, and I'm here. This is my first shot.
My name is Nay. It's my birthday, and this is my second shot.
My name is Kim, and this is my first shot.
My name is Shay, and this is my first shot. My name is Chelsea. This is my first shot.
I'm Shani. This is my first shot. I take the shot and the okay. Hey! You feel me? My name is Shani, and this is my first shot.
My name is Shmurda, and this is my third shot.
Shot number 5. I ain't record the other 3 shots. So here we go.
Okay, I'm about to put it in and then I'm Shay, and this is my second shot.
I'm Nay, and this is my third shot.
Oh, my name is Rissa, and this is my second shot. Wait.
My name is Chelsea. This is my fourth shot.
Apparently, that wasn't my second shot. That was like my fifth. Go ahead, Chelsea.
It's my fourth shot.
Somebody's phone ringing. Nay in the front.
Oh, y'all just bitch like sardines.
Yeah.
You trying to joke?
Oh, plate and stuff. Wow. Oh, and he want to bite.
Hey, we got the Uber driver list.
Hey. Hey. Take me out.
Ew.
I can really use it.
Everybody needs love, even niggas like me.
I can trust you.
Hold on. What shot are we on, guys?
That's what I'm asking, like 8.
We just got back from Ocean Breeze. My name is Rissa, and I'm on shot number. Shot is this? 30. What shot is this? I don't know what number. I'm drinking. It's playing. Kim back at it again with the back at it again. I'm on shot number 7.
Charity back at it again. Shot number 4. So I don't know what shot this is, but we was in a pool. We was floating. We was getting smacked by waves. So I don't know, I'm a little tired. I'm a little tired. We had to take a hike. Half our crew lost their shoes, but we got them back. We got them.
My name is Chelsea.
Like that.
Shot 12.
Dang. About 3 years. It's Shmurda again. I'm the only one that can hang, babe. Alright. You got me fucked up. Shot 11.